This is JR doing a little ocean exploring in the lagoon. I went in yesterday, that's where we went snorkeling. And right now I'm eating a chocolate chip ice cream cone and lying in a lovely chair. I'm letting JR enjoy the lagoon. Look at him, he's so cute and such a great swimmer. He just pointed out a crab and there's some fish. The water is so clear and blue. The wall up here is what separates this lagoon from the rest of the ocean. Every once in a while a wave crashes over. It's pretty cool. But it gives us this nice little warm inlet to get to enjoy. What are you watching, babe?
Really cool looking fish. Hello, fishy.
Nice. So apparently he saw some fish. Good.